Hey, great day to you. So how to import data from Etsy shop to QuickBooks Online? Well, in the description of the video, you're going to find a link to Link My Books, which is a really cool connector app. And this app can help you import data from Etsy to QuickBooks Online. Now, you have a free trial down in the description and also a special coupon code and discount code that helps you save 50% off for 3 whole months. So basically, Link My Books can help you connect your Etsy shop, but also if you have like Walmart or Amazon, Shopify, TikTok Shop, eBay, Square, or WooCommerce, you can connect them and you can import data to QuickBooks Online and even to Xero. So that's a pretty cool app. Accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. Link My Books. As I mentioned, link to a free trial down in the description. Best discount. Save time and money by automating your bookkeeping. All sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for. Automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. Now, look, Link My Books can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also by accountants and bookkeepers. So, hence, we have created for you 2 cool videos, and you can find them down in the description. The first video with myself, Lova Evan, great to meet you, Amazon seller, and my guest there is Daniel Little, the co-founder and CEO of Link My Books. We show you from A to Z how to use Link My Books for e-commerce sellers. So, 30-minute tutorial from A to Z. After watching this video, hopefully you as an e-commerce seller will understand everything and you'll be able to start using Link My Books easily. By the way, with a free trial in the description, you also get free onboarding. So you can ask the guys at Link My Books any question you have, and they will be glad to help you. The second video we have for you is how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants. Also linked down in the description with Daniel Little, 41-minute tutorial for people who are bookkeepers or accountants, no matter if you're a small accountancy, big accountancy, Link My Books can help you. And this video will show you from A to Z how to make the most out of it. So free trial down in the description for Link My Books with the best discount. Again, if you need to import data from Etsy or again, Walmart, eBay, TikTok Shop, Shopify, Amazon, WooCommerce, or Square to QuickBooks or Xero, check out Link My Books. Free trial is in the description. And the best coupon code, discount code, save 50% off for 3 whole months. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck in your business. Keep going, keep growing. Don't give up. And whenever it is hard, then realize it is hard, but keep going. And hopefully better times are ahead. Let's go. Thank you.